In front of me is POCO M6 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this device. Begin by opening Play Store and getting free app called DevCheck device and system info. It has to be from Flare to developer. When your app is ready, open it. Then, thanks to it, you can learn all the information about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!